They're all here begging for more. No, I don't have food. I have no food. I have nothing for you guys no more. No. They're all here. I don't have any more. I don't have any more. I ran out of food. I don't think I could give you some more. Okay, I'm sorry. All right. Auntie, do you still have more bread? Auntie, you still have more bread? I don't have anything for you.
No, I said one. One.
What's up? Oh my god. Up there. Why do you want to go up there? Here. You want some or not? Come here. Hey, wait. I'll stand in the middle.
Oh.
Jesus. Oh boy. Here, grab it. Hey. Oh, wait. What the fuck? Wait, can they catch it? Hold up. Yeah, let's go. They caught the bread. They caught the bread. What the? There's more. Drew, throw it in the sky, they'll catch it. Oh gosh. Throw it in the air. I already ate quesadilla. Throw it in the air. Oh yeah. Go again. Go again, Drew. Oh, he almost got it. Throw it higher. What do you want? Oh! Don't scare me like that, bro. I'm just on a bunch of rocks. I am just standing on a bunch of rocks right here. Let's go. I don't even know if I'm supposed to be up here or not. But I guess I'm just gonna be up here. Yeah, my hair's pretty fucked up right now. What? 1,000? I never knew it. Thumbnail. Holy, just quick thumbnail right now.
Sussy.
Oh my god. See? It's leaking. Let's go. Don't lead me to one side. Actually, you go in front. I'll record it. Yeah, hold this thing. You old man. Back in my day, we should walk down here every time. I fucked up. Ooh, you heard that? I didn't do that. Oh, got blurry. Shit, whoops. Sorry, people. I'm gonna do this place. Oh. There was one part that was wet somewhere. Yeah, but you'll see the fall there. Maybe. Is there a grizzly bear? No. If you get dizzy of heights and whatnot, then you're fucked. Man. Not together, they might just go down. So what are you doing with the stick, huh? What are you doing with the stick? You're what? You're guiding yourself? Is that what you're doing? That's very nice. Pleasant. Oh yeah, we're gonna go down there, Junior. See, you heard that? That's a waterfall right there. Yeah! With the rock. Fuck that shit. Oh boy. Let's go. George of the jungle. Rambo's just scared.
Mikey was just jump.
As you can see, Junior, you can hibernate in there.
Back to my
Your grandfather's? They're still up there. Oh shit. There's so many rocks you could probably like slip. Yeah, it's so beautiful, Junior. You almost fell down. You little cock. You little cunt. Look at that. I want to skip a rock, but I can't. Hello, how you doing? How you doing? Thank you. Good. Me too. I'm very nice. Fountain. Fountain. You know, you're fucked, bro. Don't tell me that, bitch. Don't tell me that. Oh god. So this is our cave. We're back in the cave. It's loud again. Fuck that. I climbed up here. It'll be hard to do it with one hand. You know. You see this? They're all down there. I want to get down there. You want to walk on that tree? No. Hell no, bro. Dude, I'd be scared. It's a high drop if you fall.
I know, that's right.
And it's not a good fall too. There's water, but there's rocks and trees and broken shit. Okay. What did you throw? Is it
Part of the stick.
I don't want to go down there.
Wait, we can go down there?
We're done. I got you. Let's go. We're looking on the road. But we're gonna walk there. Weep, 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 weep. I'm professional. I got you. Let's go. Yes, I could finally skip better rocks. Damn freaking lake. Okay. I see how it is. All right.
It's shallow right there.
Fuck. Walk on over. Oh, that's cold. Oh, it's slippery. The rocks are slippery.
You have your shoes on.
Oh, that's cold. Oh boy. Oh, whoa. Oh, my feet hurt. I could barely walk. I could barely walk. Oh, my feet. Oh, that hurts. Good. Here they made it across. Oh.
I'll wait here, okay?
I'll slowly. Ah!